As we cruise into this brave new world of automotive pampering, several challenges loom on the horizon. First, ensuring accurate biofeedback data is paramount. Without precision, these wellness features risk becoming mere novelties rather than effective tools for stress management and revitalization. Likewise, there's a delicate balance to strike between offering these wellness features and avoiding potential distractions while driving. It's essential to remember that while a car can be a sanctuary, it's primarily a means of transportation. Then, there's the issue of data privacy. With cars collecting sensitive biofeedback data, robust measures must be in place to protect user information. Lastly, democratization of luxury is a challenge. Making these wellness features accessible across different price points will be key to broadening their appeal and impact. Responsible development and innovative solutions are key to unlocking the potential of wellness-focused technology in luxury cars. So, Gearheads, get ready for a future where horsepower and speed share the spotlight with well-being. As we've journeyed through this video, we've explored a new era in luxury driving where your car serves not just as a mode of transport, but as a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. Imagine a world where your commute becomes a spa-like experience with ambient lighting, soothing nature sounds, and aromatherapy diffusers. Picture seats that melt away tension with personalized massages, and biofeedback technology that tunes into your emotional state, adjusting your environment for optimal calm or invigoration. Envision a car that guides your meditation and fitness routines, and even connects with your smart home to ensure a seamless continuation of your wellness routine. With challenges to overcome and opportunities to seize, this wellness revolution in luxury driving is just around the bend.